Alright guys, welcome to another exit sign video. As you can tell, I have my phone on my tripod here. I finally found the tripod I was looking for, so yay. So now I can do a bit better unboxing video of this Lithonia lighting emergency light, the compact edition with green lettering and white housing. Like, this is the exact one I showed in my YouTube post probably a couple days, 2-3 days ago now. So I'm currently recording this at 11:45 p.m. on a Saturday night, October the 4th, 2025, just for reference. But yeah, so I bought this off of Amazon. Unfortunately, this is not the one that you can switch colors. Yeah, it's not the one you can switch colors. So yeah. So here's the front of it. I'm about to show the back. Just give me a second. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I'm back. So I wanted to mention that the YouTuber NWIEA made a unboxing video of the other version that you could change the color with. Like, you can change the lettering to red to green or green to red, and switch the color inside the exit sign fixture. Unfortunately, I don't have that one. I have just the one color one. He unboxed that like probably 3-4 years ago. So shout out to you, bro. I'm gonna tag you in this video. So hope you enjoyed this video. Me unboxing this exit sign. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna show myself installing it. There's no need to show that. I'll show it put up already. So yeah, so this is the front, and then here is the side. It says it consumes half a watt, dual voltage, 122/77. Low profile, wow. It's Acuity Brands, of course. And all these other features you could maybe pause and read, but anyway, this is oh, I thought I had the date of where it was manufactured, but oh well. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Yes, unfortunately it came damaged like this off from Amazon, so it seems like the fixture itself looks fine. When I opened it earlier and checked it out, it's fine. The only thing what was wrong with it was one of the arrow pieces was already off and it cannot be snapped back in, so that's unfortunate. It's the only problem with this unit. Other than that, it looks like everything is still new and good shape. So yeah, this is one side. Here's how it comes in. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because it's just gonna mirror everything. So here it is, the exit sign. Of course, they packaged it in a way where they put the lights inside to save on packaging, I guess. So yeah, it's just gonna snap on here. Each light will snap on here. Oh, that's gonna get covered anyway. So apparently you can side mount it. Apparently, not sure how you can do that with this model, but yeah, how about that? How about that? So yeah, that's how it comes, like that. The back, I'm gonna try to show the back, but the stuff's gonna fall off. Yep, there it goes, fell off. So you get the two lights, and this got the two different wires, one for each voltage. The one that NWIEA had was just, I think it only had 2 wires, but you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think yours just had 2 wires. Here's the battery, which of course has to be connected. I have to take this off so you can be able to see that. And of course we have the hardware to mount it, right? And then